Hey everyone. Today I'm going to show you the design team project that I did for Mac Designs. And she has an Etsy store, so you can go there and get the same kit of paper that I used. It is a peacock digiprint. So I put some peacock feathers on the book. I used book board and painted fabric that I put over it. And then I did the twist spine on it. And here, this is just a large button, and I had the peacock wax seal, and then I painted it gold, and a couple of little peacock feather stickers on it. And then inside, I stamped the peacock on the inside cover. This is part of her papers. And here I just made a sorry pocket because I loved this part and thought it looked like a peacock feather. And just stuck a little tag in it. And here just a little tuck spot with paper. And here's another one of her digiprints. And the same thing, I just did a little tuck spot and used paper that I thought kind of looked like a peacock to me. And it says, "We rise by lifting others." And this is just some dyed muslin that I made the little band here. I put some washi tape for peacock feathers on the white page. This is also part of her kit. Again, I put that, and I just put a tuck spot here with a little peacock tag that I made, and put that in there. I was trying not to keep it all completely blue. I did end up, when I came back to do my ephemera, I noticed I had a whole lot of blue in this book, but I liked it. And this is hers, her DigiKits, and it says, "Captivate Inner Beauty." And here I just put some bling and peacock feathers on Amy paper. And here's a tag, and same thing, just some peacock feather washi. And here's some more of her beautiful pages. This is, "Life Fit In When You Were Born to Stand Out." She did some awesome work with peacocks. This is just a stamp I had. And again, a book page I added in here and put some sorry on it, because I like the way it blings the pages up. Another peacock stamp. And this is a repeat of the other page. I used it again. And here's the pink peacock feathers. It says, "Wild is my favorite color." And here's the white peacock, which I absolutely, positively am in love with white peacocks. And this is one of her pages. And again, I used some sorry on a book page just to dress it up. And this says, "In order to be irreplaceable, one must always be different and be your own unique self." And beautiful peacocks on them. And again, sorry. And washi tape. Some of her paper. And some more washi tape. And then sticking together. Peacocks symbolize new beginnings and eternal life. And I just love that. And of course I love it because it has a white peacock. Some more washi tape. "There's nothing love can't heal." And this is her digis. And just put some washi tape on here that I thought went with the theme. And here's the back piece of sorry. More of her digis. Some more washi tape. "Be a peacock in a world of ducks." I love that saying. These are her digis. And I didn't want to completely decorate every page. I like writing journals, so I kind of just leave mine now as journals. I love the screen page with the peacock feathers. I'm holding this down because the fan is blowing it everywhere. Blowing my hair all in my face. I'm trying. Okay, this is more of her digis, and I just love it. You can see the actual sparkle of the feathers through there. There's another one of her pages. I don't know why this page got messed up like this, but they moved on me somehow. And I did use, and this is hers, I did use the elastic Midori style tie-in. I guess you saw that already. Because once it's finished, it can always be replaced with more. And I didn't do anything to the back, I just left it. But anyway, I love it. I love it, I love it. I love the feel of it. I love everything about it. So I'm happy with it. And thank you for asking me to be on your design team. I'm having a good time and having fun with all the projects I'm making. See you soon. Bye-bye.